The property is on a hillside and it overlooks Interstate 395. The access to the property in the front is fairly simple, but the back of the property is very hilly and extremely difficult to get to. They wanted a complete outdoor living landscape plan for the front yard and for the backyard, which included water features, an outdoor kitchen, low voltage lighting, a spa, privacy, and lots of color. The property was very challenging with drainage, and we had to solve that problem first before we moved on to build the property. The other difficult part on this property was the heavy clay soil, and we had an irrigation system installed, and we had to be very careful that the plants got the right amount of water. We started the project in February of 2013. There were other subcontractors on the property building the house while we were doing the work outside. We worked with the homeowner's builder to coordinate access in and out of the property. The main contract of the project was completed July 1st, 2013. There have been additional contracts added to the project as they want to enhance their property even more than what the original design showed. The results of the project came out very good. The things that we accomplished, screening, privacy, water features, color, proper drainage, a place for the children to play, an outdoor kitchen area where they could entertain, easy access to the property on both sides of the house, and the curb appeal of this property, I believe all came out excellent. The clients were very satisfied with the results of the project. They continue to call to add more aspects to the property.